Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can utilize the Startpage search engine to conduct searches online, for example, in the Firefox or Chrome web browser or any other web browser you're using. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me launch the Firefox web browser for demonstration purposes because the Firefox web browser has already the Startpage search engine installed on default. So let me open a new tab. And here in the top left corner next to the URL address, guys, let me select Startpage as my search engine. And after that, I will be given the opportunity to enter my search term here. So let us go for an example like, I don't know, Facebook. And you will see, for example, search suggestions below. Let me go with the uppermost entry, which is Facebook in this case here for the sake of this tutorial. And yeah, that is going to redirect you to that overview here, like on most other search engines like Google or Privacy Wall and so on and so forth. So you can correct or change the search entry here. You can switch between web results under all, or for images, videos, news, maps, and so on and so forth. Below you will see a couple of filters, and then you will see the web results listed below. And that's it. Here to the right, you will see some related searches or search suggestions. And at the very bottom, you will see further pages. Now, as you can see, that's how many web results you see on one page. So unfortunately, you can add more results to a page. To do that, guys, simply click into the three dots in the top right, navigate to settings here. And after that, inside your start page settings, what you want to do is head over to general and here let me just find it. Here under appearance, you will see results per page. So here, if you click into the drop-down menu, you can choose between 10 and 20. And that's it, guys. So if you'd like to use Startpage, that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on our channel.